everyone, welcome to my channel TechEdu Information Knowledge is Life. In this lecture, we are going to see what is the view of database. So, first of all, we have to see what is data model. There is one video in our series that is depending on this data model, but I would like to introduce this video also. So, what is data model? Data model is a logical interrelationship and data flow between different data elements involved in the information world. So it also documents the way data is stored and retrieved. So it helps to communicate between business and technical development by accurately representing the requirements of information system and by designing the responses needed for the requirements. So this data model helps to represent what data is to be required and what format is to be used for different business processes. So, what are the components of this data model? Components are data type, data items, then data sources, event sources, and links. These are the basic 5 components of this data model. So, why we use this data model? So, it ensures all data objects required by the database are accurately represented. And this data model helps to design the database at the conceptual, physical, and logical level. Data model structure helps to define the relational tables, primary and foreign keys, and stored procedure. It also provides a clear picture of the database and can be used by database developers to create a physical database. So it is also helpful to identify missing and redundant data. Though the initial creation of data model is labor and time consuming, in the long run, it makes your IT infrastructure upgraded and maintenance becomes cheaper as well as faster. So what are the types of this data model? So conceptual data model, logical data model, physical data model, relational data model, and ER data model, that is entity relational data model. Conceptual data model. This data model defines what the system contains. It is an organized view of database concept and their relationship. The purpose of creating a conceptual data model is to establish entities, their attributes, and relationships. In this data modeling level, there is hardly any detail available on the actual database structure. Business stakeholders and data architects typically create a conceptual data model. So there are 3 basic parts of conceptual data model. First, entity, that is the real world thing. Second, attribute, that is the characteristic or property of an entity. And the third one is relationship, that is dependency or an association between 2 entities. What are the examples of data model? So here we can see 2 entities are there, customer and product, and customer name, customer number are the attributes of entity customer, and product name, product price are the attributes of product entity, and sale is the relationship between them. So this is the best example for conceptual data model. What are the characteristics of conceptual data model? An overall view of the structure of the data is in business context. Features that are independent of any database or physical storage structure. Data needed to be performed for business processes or enterprise operations. The conceptual model is developed independently of hardware specification like data storage, capacity, location, or software specification like DBMS vendor and technology. And the main focus is to represent the data as a user will see it in the real world. Second one, logical data model. It defines how the system should be implemented regardless of the DBMS. So the main purpose is to develop technical map of rules and data structures. This model is used to define the structure of the data elements and to set the relationship between them. And it adds further information to the conceptual data model elements. So what this data model provides an advantage of using This model provides an advantage is to provide foundation to form the base for the physical model. So, the modeling structure remains generic. What is the example of logical data model? So here the same example we are taking like previous one, just we are providing the data types and the properties of that attributes. What are the characteristics of logical data model? It describes data needs for a single project but would integrate with other logical data models based on the scope of the project. It is designed and developed independently from the DBMS. Data attributes will have data types with exact precision and length. Normalization processes to the model is applied typically till third normalization form. Physical data model. This data model describes how the system will be implemented using specific DBMS system. This model is typically created by DBA, database administrators and developers. The purpose is actual implementation of database. Physical data model describes a database specific implementation of the data model. It offers database abstraction and helps generate the schema. This is because of the richness of metadata offered by the physical data model. The physical data model also helps in visualizing database structure by replicating database column keys, constraint, indexes, triggers and other RDBMS features. So example of this DBMS physical data model is, here are the two relations and they are communicated via particular constraint, that is primary key which is assigned with customer number, and in product entity product name will be the unique. What are the characteristics of physical data model? Physical data model describes data need for a single project or application. Through it may be integrated with other physical data models based on project scope. Data model contains relationship between tables that which addresses cardinality and nullability of the relationship. It is developed for a specific version of DBMS, location, data storage or technology to be used in project. Column should have exact data types, length, assigned and default values. Primary and foreign keys, views, indexes, sys profiles and authorization, etc. are defined. What are the advantages? It helps to ensure that the objects are accurately represented. It allows you to define the relationship between tables, stored procedures and primary and foreign keys. It helps business to communicate within and across organizations. It helps to organize the accurate sources of data to populate the model. It allows the business to document data mapping in ETL process. Disadvantages of data model. You must know the physical data stored characteristics in order to develop a data model. A navigational system uses complex application development and management which requires advanced skills. Small changes in structure require modification of an entire application, and there is no set manipulation language in database management system. So thank you so much.